How to know what apps are running in the background. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, simply open up your recent app manager. Now you can find all of your recent apps on this page. Now the second method is simply go back. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now simply tap on about device. Now scroll down. Now go to version. Now tap on version number 7 times. Now once you tap 7 times, it will enable developer options. Then simply go back. Now tap on system and update. Then go to developer options. Now simply tap on running services. Now on this page you can find all the apps running in the background. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.